Is your inbox in the thousands? Can you not find this important notice from your doctor because it is so overfilled with unimportant email? Well, today, on day 12 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to tackle just that. Today, we're going to set a 15-minute timer and get on to tackling those emails. We're going to keep this habit every single day until we reach our desired amount of emails. As you go into this challenge today, be sure you are unsubscribing from unnecessary emails so that you no longer get them in the future. And today's fun twist is changing up your email theme. If you have a Gmail account, you can select the theme by clicking on the gear icon or the three dots and customizing your theme. Put a fun theme that it will cheer you up every time you see your emails and will look also fun to look at. And speaking of emails, did you know I have a newsletter? Don't worry, I'm not going to clutter up your inbox. You know how I feel about clutter. It is only once a month, but it is super duper fun. We do tips, giveaways, printables, you name it. So if you're interested, be sure to sign up at buildsourhome.com. I will link it down below, and I hope you really do sign up because we have a blast in the newsletters. We've been stacking so many habits lately, and I hope you're starting to see a difference, especially when you declutter every single day for 15 minutes. You're going to see what a drastic difference that makes. If you want to make things even more seamless, you can declutter on cue with the FlyLady Zones. This week we're in Zone 3, the main bathroom and one other bedroom. So if your bathroom has some clutter, the one that everyone uses, be sure to start there. If it does not, then you can begin to declutter a bonus room, one that is not mentioned in the zones. Be sure to get your free printable so that you can add our habits, and that will be linked down below too. But in the meantime, if you want to know more about zones, then check out this video here where I go into details all about that, and I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.